mas lalong klarong lumalabas na mas na napipikon na sila sa mga katulad ni Attorney Kapunan.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Kung ating pagbabasihan yung mga naging experience natin for the past 2 budget cycle, hindi talaga siya dumalo. So, ang aking lang observation is, since na merong impeachment trial ngayon, I think mas lalo siyang, para sa akin, without, again, prejudging or preempting kung ano yung magiging desisyon ng OVP, ako, I have that gut feeling that she will not be attending, especially the plenary. Baka sa committee hearing, baka pumunta pa siya doon. Kasi just to be fair also, pumunta naman siya nung last na hearing, committee hearing, nung kanyang budget. But when it reaches the plenary, hindi ho siya pumunta at wala hong pumunta sa kanyang mga staff, kung di ako nagkakamali. So this is just, if that would happen again, this is just being consistent. Wala siyang dinadalawan. Hindi siya dumadalo sa kanyang budget, hindi rin siya dumadalo sa kanyang trial. So she's just being consistent about her, not respecting legal processes and constitutional processes. That involves not only her own case but her own office and mandate. No, insofar as requesting the House, being a co-equal branch and having that constitutional mandate to scrutinize the budget, to directly, not comply with the by not attending.
Okay. Next question ko po. May Facebook post po ulit si Congressman Paulo Duterte. Sumagot po siya doon sa statement kahapon, no, sa interview namin kay Attorney Lorna Kapunan with regards to the culture of violence. Sabi po ni Kong Pulong, si Attorney Lorna ay yung parang tinatawag na marites ng impeachment daw po. Tapos binanatan pa rin niya yung nangyayaring proceedings. Ang sabi nga po niya, predetermined narrative na daw po, no, yung kumbaga pinag-uusapan na yung mga ebidensya po na inilalatag ng prosecution. Hayaan daw po na gawin ng trabaho ng mga abogado ni VP Sara yung para maipagtanggol daw po siya, kaya hindi po kailangan humarap, no, ni VP Sara. Pero yun nga po, may banat po siya doon kay Attorney Lorna with regards to the term marites daw po.
The problem is I didn't see that post, I'm trying to search for it actually after you said it. I'm more curious about what he said about yung predetermined narrative, no? Maybe you could give more context what he meant about that.
If I can read the statement.
Yeah, sure, Viv.
Yes.
Thank you, Viv.
Sabi po ni Representative Paulo Duterte, speedy trial does not mean speedy surrender to a predetermined narrative.
No, because yung all other matters niya about attacks against Attorney Kapunan, etc., I don't want to comment on that anymore, no. But because I just mentioned that, if I'm not sure, no, because I haven't seen the entirety of the statement, but if it gives the impression that by saying it's a predetermined narrative, if he's saying that it seems the matter has been prejudged already by the impeachment court, that's the thing that I may have an issue with, no, consistent with our reaction, no, dun sa naging statement ni VP Sara about bending the law happening in the impeachment proceedings, no. Kung again, I'm not sure if that's what he meant, but if that's what the message, that he's trying to give, that this has been prejudged already, then that's dangerous again, because that could be an attack, no, against the integrity of the court. And of course, we shouldn't say, no, na interested parties, no, shouldn't say that mukhang may decision na dito, no, impeachment court. Again, we have to respect institution, and maliwanag, may pagkakataon, magkabilang panig, magpresenta ng ebidensya para ang mga senator judges ay bigay ng hatol, no, batay sa mga ebidensya na ito. So again, maybe I'll try to go over the statement also while Kong Zia chimes in also.
Well, I'm not gonna defend Attorney Kapunan because she can ably defend herself, no? Pero isa lang ang masasabi ko. Kaya ata nila sinisingle out ngayon si Attorney Kapunan kasi talagang magaling siya, no? She was able to elicit information from the witnesses that strengthened the case against the Vice President, no? Personal attacks saying na Marites would not help not only the case of the defense, but it will not help the entirety of the proceedings, no, by focusing on the merits of the case, no? Ganun lang. Sa akin lang, kung meron mga ganitong pananalita, mga ad hominem attacks on the personality and how she views individual prosecutors, that's her opinion, but it will not answer the allegations. It will not be a way to counter the allegations, much less provide an answer to increasing questions, no, surrounding the misuse of the confidential funds of the OVP. So if we dwell on this kind of talk, no, itong mga gutter talk, I think it will not sufficiently address the questions that are now being asked of the OVP. Neither would it help the defense case to defend the respondent. Mas lalong klarong lumalabas na mas na napipikon na sila sa mga katulad ni Attorney Kapunan na magagaling na mga abogado at mas effective sa paglalahad ng mga testimonya ng mga witnesses na hindi nasasagot diretsa ng depensa.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw.